So I kind of got out of the vlog videos. Still did quite a bit of filming. I just never really got around to editing it. So this is just random whatever from months ago up to this point. I have no idea what's included. Here we go.
The old tree stuff box. America.
Merg. We haven't been drinking.
Jet Step.
Is that a magic card? There's a magic card.
Basically
8.5, man. That's a bold statement right there, man. That's pretty powerful.
Are they two of the same saddles?
No, they're close, but there's slight differences from what I saw.
Of the yeah.
Yeah.
Of the 5 men on the end of the rope, dragging the other guy up the tree.
Yep. And there's no such thing as amateur tree climbing gear.
No, there's such thing as dead.
Yeah.
I believe it says Jet Step on it.
So can I fly?
I'm assuming.
I have one on each foot.
Working on educating myself here for a moment.
There's you. Yeah. Fucking huge and clunky, small and compact.
Definitely huge and clunky.
Yeah. Look at the quality of the casting too.
I understand.
Yeah, definitely not anywhere near as good as the Petzl.
I want to flip the Petzls.
We're gonna do a round 2 with the Echo CS2511T because I liked it that much that I bought another one because my dumbass lost my first one. When I worked with Joe the other day, he had some hoodies made up, so yeah. Weren't a viewer way back when. Joe's actually the guy that taught me to climb. He's an awesome friend and love working with him. So here in the garage, I was sharpening some chains. It's Friday night, and in walks this little thing. And say hi. Old girl. Looks like she had some pups recently, no collar. Well, I thought I found the owners on Facebook, and they came over, and it wasn't her.
You just can't always catch them in pictures, damn it.
I'll just set it right there for you, okay?
Oh, you look like you a lot warm and everything. Come on, baby.
That's the first time I've seen her wag her tail. I fucking hate commercials. Nice. So I bought my girlfriend a gift. Yeah? I think she'll like it. I like it. I can't leave it plain old stock though. Definitely gotta do something.
Get that red with AI? Sure thing.
For a limited time only at participating random juicy shaped steak. Jennifer, please insert steak into my micro USB.
Hand-picked diamonds in every shape and every size. And no middleman.
So my parents' new house and my little sister are like 2 blocks apart, and my older sister just bought a house right in between them. So of course now my mom keeps slipping me pamphlets about houses right here. I bought a new trailer this weekend. And it is a new trailer, but it's been sitting on the lot for I don't know how long. So I'm gonna go through and grease all the fittings before I actually use it. And the Zerk just ripped right out. Fun times. It looks like it's a press fit too, not threaded. I'll have to worry about that later. I don't have time right now. The other one pulled out. Fucker. Idiot. Like with anything new, there's just little things here and there need to be adjusted or maintained. Next up, when I went to pull this ramp out the other day to roll the logs up, I couldn't get it out. Definitely sitting too high. You'd think when they built it, they'd have tried to pull the ramp out before. All right, I can't get that with the tools I brought, so I'll have to come back. All right, so these Zerk fittings. Looked like there was a riveted sleeve in here. Yeah, definitely way too small of a hole for quarter 20. So I'll have to look into those too. I don't want to drill or anything or tap and put shavings in there. Apparently these pins that go in these holes will hold the door open when you're dumping can just pop out. And if you don't notice when you're dumping, torque the shit out of your door and bend the crap out of it. So that's cool. Take the Zerk out, but the powder coating is so thick that I can't get a socket on it, of course. I understand why too, because I've seen some of the welds on this thing and they look like a 5-year-old did them. Stuff's so thin, I don't even think I need to get the acetylene out, but we'll see. Apparently any dangle this better. And I'm thinking of wasting my time with this. I need to get the acetylene out. I know we have a rosebud around here somewhere, but I don't know where it is. The cutting tip will do for now. Close enough, I think. It's a little off, but I think it'll work. Shit fucking paint, God. Ah! Well, I bought a new tool the other day. Let's try it out. Alright, so just a plunger that you hit with a hammer. It's supposed to, the pressure's supposed to blow through whatever's in the grease fitting. Bar and chain oil will work good for this. Did it work? Hey! It's taking grease. Nice! Fuck yeah! This pin system is stupid. I like my buddy Jeff's trailer. It's got the chain. You just hook the chain on the hook. It's not going anywhere. Good enough. Alright, my sister was just out here. We were chatting, and I'm really glad she came out because she reminded me that I need to fix this too, because the ramp doesn't freaking come out from the factory. And that thing is on there crooked as shit. Look at how much distance, yeah. I think I was saying about weld, oh my god. It doesn't come out because it looks like somebody dinged this channel from the side. And so I look around the corner, look at that freaking weld. That's like not even attached. I could tap that and it would snap off. That one's like it too. Overall, I am not super happy with this trailer. It functions, but the build quality, the QA, I mean, for fuck's sake. You know, you buy something brand new from the dealer and you have to start working on it immediately. Going with the easy fix, Dremel it is. Buddy, getting it in. It was about midnight Friday evening, and I was on my way to see my girlfriend, getting some gas, and wham. But all three people seemed to be okay. They hit freaking hard, head on. But yeah, that'll wake you up. Wow. Yeah.
Pretty slick.
Yeah.
You get to take it off, take it off.